Welcome to our tutorial. In today's video, we'll guide you specific steps to create anchor link that auto-scroll to the reviews from anywhere on the page. You may already know, Review Anchor Link is a feature provided by WooCommerce. It corresponds to the ID of the Reviews tab. Let's walk through the process of creating an anchor link step by step. In this tutorial, we'll use our plugin, WooCommerce Photo Reviews, in conjunction with Elementor to demonstrate. Our focus will be on creating an anchor link to the reviews section using our Elementor widget. To start, you'll need the ID of the element you want to link to. We'll guide you on how to add one. Once you have the ID, it's time to create the link. In our example, we'll link to the rating count widget. I'll demonstrate using our shortcode to craft the link. Wrap the shortcode in an A tag, and utilize the ref attribute to establish the link. Since we're linking within the same page, simply append number review, or your chosen anchor name. That's it. Now, when users click on the rating count, they'll smoothly navigate to the reviews section just below.